Everyone. Today we discuss the topic measurement of angles. So we we uh, we are also familiar of angles and trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words trigon and metron, meaning the study of measurement of triangles. In broader sense, it deals with the measurement of sides and angles of a triangle. But now its scope has been wide widened to a great extent, and it also includes the study of polygons and circle. So, at first, measures of an angle is taken to be the smallest amount of of rotation from the direction of one ray of the angle to the direction of the other ray. The measures of an angle is the amount of rotation performed from the initial side to the terminal sides. Units of measurement of angles. There are three units for measurement of angle. First, sexagesimal system or British system. In this system of measurement, a right angle is divided into 90 equal parts. 90 equal parts called degree. Each degree is then divided into 60 equal parts called minutes, and each minute is divided into 60 equal parts called the second. That is, one right angle equal 90 degree, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Second, centesimal or French system. In this system of measurement of right angles is divided into 100 equal parts called grades. Each grade is then divided into 100 equal parts called minutes, and each minute is further divided into 100 equal parts called seconds. That is, one right angle equal to 100 grade, one grade equal to 100 minute, and 1 minute equal to 100 second. Third, radians or circular measures. The angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle is called a radian and is noted by 1 to the c. That is, arc AB equal to OA equal to OB. This equal to R. So that angle AOB equal to 1 radian. 1 radian. Second, radian is a constant angle. How? So let AB is a circle whose center is O and radius is R. Let the length of arc AB of the circle be equal to R. Then by the definition of the radians, angle AOB equal to 1 radian, and AC is the diameter of the circle, so that arc AC equal to 2 right angle. Since the angle at the center of a circle are proportional to the arc subtending them, that is, angle AOB by angle AOC equal to arc AB by arc AC. Arc AB equal to R and arc AC equal to pi R. So that 1 radian equal to 180 by pi equal to constant. So that radian is constant angle. Next, to prove that theta equal to L by R, L equal to length of the arc AC and R equal to arc AB, where theta the angle in radians are subtended by arc AC of length L at the center of a circle of radius R. The let O be the center of a circle of radius R, and that is, angle AOB equal to 1 radian, and then arc AB equal to R. Angle AOC by theta radian and arc AC equal to L. By geometry, we know that the angles subtended at the center of a circle are proportional to the length of the arc which subtended them. That is, angle AOC by angle AOB equal to arc AC by arc AB, implied that theta by 1 equal to L by R. Therefore, theta equal to L by R. Relation between degree and radians. So 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, so that pi radian equal to 180 degree. This is the relation between the radian and degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 by pi equal to 57 degrees 16 minutes 22 seconds, and 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians, that is 0.01746 radians. Next, relation between the three system of measurement, that is sexagesimal systems, centesimal system, or circular measurement. So let D be the number of the degree, R be the number of radians, and G be the number of grades in an angle theta. 90 degree equal to 1 right angle. So 1 degree 1 by 90 right angle. So that D degree by D by 90 right angle. So that theta by D by 90 right angle. Also pi radians equal to 2 right angle. So 1 radian equal to 2 by pi right angles. So R radian is equal to 2R by pi right angles. The theta equal to 2R by pi right angles. 100 grades equal to 1 right angle. G grade equal to G by 100 right angles. Theta equal to G by 100 right angles. From equation 1, 2 and 3 we get D by 90 equal to G by 100 equal to 2 by pi. This is the relations of three angles of measurements. So D by 90 equal to G by 100, D equal to 9 by 10 grade, G equal to get 10 by 9 grades. Now find the degree measures corresponding to the flowing radians measures. Suppose this is minus 2 का power c, तो minus 2 to the power c, तो 180 डिग्री इक्वल टू क्या पाई रेडियन, तो 1 रेडियन इक्वल टू क्या 180 बाई पाई, तो माइनस 2 बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई 180 बाय पाई इक्वल टू क्या माइनस 360 बाय 22 मल्टीप्लाई 7 11 180 इक्वल टू माइनस by 11 degree. तो 11 minus 1260, 11 1 जा 11, 1 6, 11 5 0, 11 4 जा 44 6, तो 1 minus 114 whole 6 by 11 degree equal to minus 114 degree. 6 by 11 multiply 6 by 11 multiply 60 minute. Why? Since 1 degree equal to 60 minute. तो minus 114 degree और 6 is 36 and 360 by 11 minute. तो minus 114 degree और 360 by 11, 11 3 जा 33, 11 3 जा 33, 3 0, 11 2 जा 22, 8 by 11 minute. तो minus 114 degree 32 minute 8 by 11 multiply 60 second, because 1 minute equal to 60 second, equal to minus 114 degree 32 minute and approx 44 second. 8 6 48, 480 by 11 है ना, ये हो गया अप्रॉक्स. तो दिस इज द आंसर. Okay, thank you and have a nice